back to my segment of This is the Gabby's Cooking Show. This is the Gabby's Cooking Show. Yeah. Alright, we are here in my hometown, the City of Paramount.
Yeah, Paramount.
Represent. I am here at the Pizza Press with one of the co-owners, Dennis. Say hola.
What's up? Hola.
Hola, mi gente.
Hola.
Mi gente.
Mi gente.
Hey!
Alright, I'm learning.
So today, what are we gonna do? I'm going to build my own pizza, right?
Yes, you're gonna make your own pizza, publish your own pizza with unlimited combination of toppings.
I'm so excited. I love pizza, and I hear you guys have a nice selection of craft draft beer.
We do. We have 24 craft beers on draft here, and they're hand-selected, independent breweries. We really love our beer lineup here.
Ay, pues mira nomás, si quieres una pizza y quieres una cerveza, te vienes acá a the Pizza Press a disfrutar tu noche. All día, como tú quieras. You know it's 5 o'clock somewhere all the time.
Always.
Alright, so let's get our hands dirty and let's get started.
Let's do it. Yeah, so we take the dough that we make in-house here and we put it on the press and let the press do all the work. Basically, we push it down, spray it with oil, and this is why we call it the pizza press. Get it?
I get it.
So after the dough comes out, we take these rollers and yeah, that's it.
Oh,
And that helps prevent the bubbles when we go through the oven.
okay, so now we have all of our sauces.
We have a white Alfredo sauce, like a 5-cheese Alfredo, and a pink sauce, which is a mixture basically of the white sauce and the red sauce together.
Oh, I want that one.
Want that? Go for
Yeah.
it. There you go. One more down. There you go. And I'm going to take the regular traditional marinara.
But why? Spice up your life. Get the spice.
Oh, we can spice it with sauces at the end.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah. So after the sauces, you have a choice between 4 base toppings, Gabby. You can do garlic, roasted garlic, caramelized onions, or sun-dried tomatoes.
Oh my god, you made it so difficult. I want all of them. Okay. I don't know what to choose. Okay, you know what? Caramelized onion sounds fun.
Yeah. So just get in there, get a little, like a handful, or that's perfect.
Okay.
Yeah, and then just spread it out.
Okay.
And I'm gonna do some sun-dried tomatoes,
That sounds good.
just like this. And then fresh mozzarella balls.
Ooh. Can I do 2?
Yeah, you can have unlimited combination of anything you want here.
What?
Yeah.
Repeat that one more time.
Unlimited combination of toppings, folks.
Oh, pues dame todo. Mira, voy a comenzar de nuevo acá. And I'm just gonna go wild. Okay, cool. So I'll go. You said this is regular.
This is regular mozzarella cheese.
Okay.
Just spread it out.
Oh my god, I'm so good at this.
It's perfect.
And, ooh, you know, because you said you have a lot. We just got creative in building our own pizza, which was clearly the best. Mine came out really good. Yours did too, though.
Mine looks pretty good too.
Yours looks professional. Mine looks like, una niña vino y puso todo encima, and they just wanted everything.
You're free flowing.
Yeah, exactly. But now we are going to make their signature pizzas. Well, 2 of their signature pizzas.
Yep.
I am doing the Herald.
And I'm gonna make the times.
So here we go. guys make pizza, but you guys are a lover of desserts, and
Yep.
this is one of your favorites.
It is. We do ice cream sandwiches with house-baked chocolate chip cookies we make here.
Oh, house baked, so you know they're
Yeah.
fresh and ready for you. All right, so let's do this. Boom! I just made my first chocolate chip ice cream sandwich. Yes, you guys. Si no me he casado es porque la gente, los hombres son pendejos, por eso.
There you go. And
I poured my first beer. Yo,
Perfect.
I'm so ready to be a bartender here at the Pizza Press. Can you hire me just for this?
sure.
That's a perfectly poured.
That's a great pour.
This is amazing, guys. I'm proud of myself. This is good. Cheers to becoming professional pizza makers.
Woo! Cheers.
This is good.
Yeah, very good.
This is good. All right, Dennis, let them know when and where they should be.
Well, we're located on the corner of Alondra Boulevard and Paramount. We're open 7 days a week here. We're open from 11 a.m. to midnight, Sunday through Wednesday, and till 1 a.m. Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Oh, so you know where I'm gonna be Thursday, Friday, and Saturday here at the Pizza Press
That's
doing
right.
some pizza. Thank
right.
you so much for having me, and thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't done so already. And if you guys have another crazy idea of me, like, I don't know, to try out some other fun restaurants, some crazy food, leave a comment below, and I'm so happy and eager to try those things out. Thank you. Besitos, mil besitos para ustedes. Los quiero mucho y nos vemos pronto. Bye.
Cheers.